Welcome back. Well, rain is finally stopped. Miracle. So what I want to do is plant grass. Whoa, 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 whoa. So what are we having here? We're having issues over here by the looks of it. What? Just to make sure that we're not gonna experience anything unwanted. Okay. Okay, now let's have a look. Beautiful, no more problemos. Okay, we're generating the course and we're ready to go. Okay, dismiss, hire worker. And we'll do that, and it is on grass. And before we go anywhere, no, let's do it this way. Okay, what happens here? Oh, it is rolling. Okay, I need to clear the course. I don't have too many courses all over the place. Okay, we haven't bought any cows as yet. I've been busy, as you've seen in the last episode, dealing with massive amounts of olives and grapes. It was unbelievable. Like, to be really honest, did not expect that at all, to get that much as far as grapes and olives are concerned. So that's a huge surprise to me. That particular mod, all my mods are off the in-game hub, I think it is. Very rarely I get mods from elsewhere. So if you want to get any of the mods that I get, chances are that's where you're going to find them. All you can do, if you don't know what it is write me a message, say, hey, that mod that you use, blah blah blah, what is it? And then I can show it to you in game. Then if you want, you can go and grab it from, like I said, if you look in mod hub, the one that comes with Farming Simulator, I think most 90% of my mods are from there. The only other mods that I got from Peanut, and he has on his channel, he has a spreadsheet where you can actually go and download the mods. So if you want to get some mods, you know, you can have a look at his channel and have a look at his spreadsheet. And I got some of my mods from there, but majority are, and even the ones that I got from him, I searched them first on the in-game mod hub, and if it wasn't there, then I went to his link. So anyway, we'll get a bit of a time lapse going. Okay, so I'm just gonna fix a couple of things here that I saw that the worker has kind of missed. This is it right here, and this is it right here, and we got a couple at the other end, so let's go at the other end over there. And get all this organized. Now I'm not going to buy cows as yet until I have feed for them. There's no point buying cows and I can't feed them. Where are we? And what I did is I accidentally planted cotton. Didn't I get that one? I accidentally planted cotton in the field down there. So now I'm going to have 2 fields of cotton. And that's not really going to work out as good as what I thought it would, to be honest. Because I do need straw. Didn't I do this? Didn't I go over it, or am I imagining? Okay. Boom. Done. Done, done, done. Alright, so we finally got ourselves a nice time. Okay. So this field that I'm going to, I was actually going to put wheat on it. And it didn't work out that way, to be honest. I am going to need a cotton harvester. And since we're making so much money of it, I'm going to keep an eye. This is cotton now. I honestly was not going to put cotton there. So we've got these 2 massive fields cotton. And I mean, I could buy some land, but you know what? I kind of want to come away from where I am right now. So I'm going to be exploring either here or down here. So, I mean, I could just flow that way, but I don't want to go that way. I wouldn't mind here type of thing. I mean, that's what, 60, so 180, 360,000. I could buy all of those. And then I could put some massive fields and then slowly, I'm so sick and tired of cutting trees. You'd be, oh, I couldn't even tell you how sick and tired I am of cutting trees. So yeah, that's at the moment something that I don't want to do. Now I've got cotton. I've got my productions, they're all running rampant. I haven't even gone away into another month. I'm still in August. And yeah, so that's what we're going to do. Anyway, I think I'll leave this episode here for now, and we'll see you in the next month.